Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today I will be showing you how to change your front brakes pad on your car. Today I will be using the Best Brake Select Premium disc brake pads, ceramic. And as you can see, they're new. This is all the tool you will be needed to get this job done. A ratchet and socket set, or if you don't want to use that, just get yourself a wrench. This is a 14mm 40 brake grease, and WD-40 if the bolt is too tight, and your front and rear brake caliper tool. You don't have to get this expensive one, you just need a caliper tool to push your piston back, because when you remove your old brake pads, it will adjust to your old brake pads, so you're gonna have to get a caliper tool to push your caliper back so you can adjust to the new brake pads. The first thing you're gonna want to do is break these bolts. I already loosened them a little, so this video would not have to be so long. So there's two bolts, one right here and one down here. After you remove those bolts, you just want to take your caliper. Off. And hang it up to something. Just take your caliper and hang your caliper to something, because you don't want to damage the brake hose. After you tie your caliper up, you just want to remove your old brake pads. Just slide them out like this. And remove the old rattle clips. After you remove your old brake pads and stuff, you just want to remove the guide pin. The guide pin is these stuff right here. You just want to remove the old guide pins and grease them with brake grease. Take your new rattle clips and put them back. After you grease it up, you just want to slide your brake pads back in. This part with the high end is supposed to be on this side over here. You just want to slide it back in. Get your other brake pad and do the same thing. Put brake grease on the sides. And just slide it right in. After that, you just want to take your brake pads and slide it in, just like that. Then you're gonna grab your piston tool. Grab your piston tool and push your piston back. Grab your piston tool and push your piston back. After you push your piston back, just gonna wanna slide your caliper back on. It should fit just like that. Then get your bolts that you took out. Just put it back in and tighten it, and that's how you change your front brakes on your car, guys. And when you're tightening your bolt, guys, you never want to do it too tight, because too tight will break your bolt. You just want to snug it up and push, but don't overdo it. And there you go, brand new brakes.